daydiyo gabdho fiican iyo tinkulay leeyihiin gabdho fiican iyo tinkulay leeyihiin dadka Soomaaliyeed halkan lagu daydiyo gabdho fiican iyo tinkulay leeyihiin.
My names are Abdi Dagane, the Deputy Governor, Garissa County, the residents of Garissa County, specifically Ijara constituency, and the Samawadal community, who are discussing matters BBI, and they have actually agreed to support BBI unconditionally, and we appeal. The community here appeals to His Excellency the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga to consider them in getting an extra constituency to enhance their representation. Ijara has got met all the threshold required for an extra constituency. The numbers, as you can see here, are 275,575, and the landmass is as big as 12,000 square kilometers. So the residents here, and Ijara is the home of also the chairman of BBI, our Senator, Mzee Yusuf Haji. So our appeal is to His Excellency the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga to consider Ijara be divided into an extra constituency, namely Hulugo constituency. This request were captured in earlier memorandums. The memorandum we have submitted as a region when BBI hosted Right Honorable Raila Odinga during the BBI congregation in Garissa. It was captured, and actually it's not even a constituency we asked for. We asked for a county, that is Ijara County. We've also given a memorandum to the BBI team in Nairobi. I was privileged to be part of that team that presented that memorandum. And since BBI was to capture, the views of Kenyans, our views then and now remains that Ijara be accorded an extra constituency. What we have seen is that areas where did not even ask for constituencies were proposed to be given a constituency. So ours is that we request that we be given a constituency as the residents of Garissa County and Ijara to be specific. Thank you so much. There are elders here who will also be talking. They want to trek from here to State House. You can imagine moving by foot from the farthest corner of Garissa, actually at the border of Somalia, to Nairobi and meet His Excellency the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga. We are that much serious, and we ask for our rightful share. We asked for this in the previous discussions we had in BBI, and actually we have given it in memorandum, and our support for BBI, inshallah, is we give it 100%. BBI chair comes from this constituency, so we don't want the chair to miss from the 70 constituencies that is being given out, and he has already promised his constituents that they will be part of that list. Thank you.
Members of the press, we have converged here today in Twin Star Hotel in Ijara constituency in Masalani as a community. The purpose of the meeting was to discuss the support we want to extend to BBI as and the big four agendas of His Excellency the President. We have unanimously resolved that we stand with His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, for all efforts he is doing for this country. As the residents of Ijara, we feel, Your Excellency, we are somehow disenfranchised. From 1963 to date, we have only one constituency. We have met every threshold for consideration as a county and as a constituency. During the launch of the BBI, we have submitted our memorandum for the purpose of a constituency and a county. Unfortunately, counties were not captured, but we had every hope that with the constituency we were going to get an extra constituency for Ijara, for the split of Ijara constituency. Right now, we are appealing to Your Excellency. We have been in support of this government and the entire Kenya government from time history. Our loyalty to the government is above board. We very much appreciate you have given positions of respect to the sons of Ijara. But Your Excellency, we are very much disenfranchised in the field of representation. We have only one member of parliament. We have only 4 MCAs. That's why, Your Excellency, we are appealing to you to get back to your records and assist us with your kind heart. I am sure after Gatundu, you are a representative of Ijara. You are the son of Ijara. We prayed to God when you are the chairman of the Disaster Management Committee, and we said one day you will end up in being the President of the Republic of Kenya. And God has accepted our prayers. We are kindly appealing to you to also accept our request and delineate Ijara constituency into 2 so that we have Hulugo and Ijara constituency. By so doing, you will give us a favor, and within the constitutional threshold, we fall under that category. So you will not be helping people who do not have the number. You will be helping people who have the number and who are in dire need of a constituency, because for 58 years, we remain with only one constituency and representation. You know, Your Excellency, how fruitful and helpful it is to the community and the entire public of Kenyans. With those remarks, I say thank you.
Tarehe 13 mwezi wa 12 mwaka wa 2020. Hii kongamano mnaona tuko Masalani district headquarters Ijara constituency, ambaye inaanzia mto ya Tana mpaka mahala naitwa Sinai, mpaka ya Kenya na Somalia. Bana Deputy Governor amesema acreage yetu, wamesema figa zetu, sitaki kurudia. Mimi nataka kusema tu Ijara inastahili kupewa constituency, maana hata Mwenyezi Mungu kwa fadhila zake kuna mambo mingi ambaye katika Garissa haziko lakini ziko Ijara. Tuna wanyama kama hirola, tuna msitu, tuna wanyama wengine kama colobard monkey, tuna umbwa mitu. Hiyo yote iko Ijara, na hiyo yote inaweza kuleta uchumi kwa hii nchi kama inahifadhiwa na kuangaliwa vizuri. Ya pili, sisi tunataka kusema, na jana nilisema kwa Kisomali wakati nilikuwa nazungumza juu ya Jamhuri ya Kenya. Sisi wakati wa Somali yote waliasi na kusema wanataka Somalia, na hata wengine 1966 wanasema wanataka kichwa ya Kenyatta. Sisi tulisimama imara na serikali na kuunga mkono serikali. Tuna haki ya kupewa constituency. Mimi nataka kumwambia watu ya Kenya, wakati wa Somali na watu ya NFD walisaliti hii nchi na kusema hata hawawezi kwenda bunge, kutoka Marsabit mpaka Ijara Mahala ambaye watu wali contest parliamentary seat ni Ijara peke yake. Watu wengine yote wameingia na post kwa sababu hakuna mtu alitaka. Lakini sisi kwa vile tulikuwa tunadhamini parliamentary seat, imekuwa the only constituency ambaye imekuwa contested in 1964. Record siko, watu mbili ndio walisimama, yote mbili ni warehemu, Mungu awarehemu, Hamdi Abdi Sheikh na Mahmud Jubat Ali. Na kura Mahmud Jubat akawa mjumbe ya kwanza katika Garissa South, na baadaye akawa vice president ya KANU baada ya ile Limuru conference. Sisi tunataka kusema hivi, ni haki yetu. President Uhuru, sisi tumesimama na baba yako, tumesimama na wewe na Right Honorable Raila Odinga, tunataka tupate haki yetu. Hatutaki kupiga mguu kutoka Masalani mpaka State House. Tupe jawabu, tunataka jawabu mbili. Kiti mutapata, nitakuja kwenu na kumwambia nyinyi kutoka mdomo yangu. Kama hapana, tutaanza trekking kutoka Masalani mpaka State House. Kuna kitu kingine mimi nataka kusema. Constitution ya Kenya, representation ina sheria. Hakuna mtu ambaye atabeba baggage ya mtu mwingine. Hakuna mtu atabeba baggage ya mtu mwingine. Constituency ndio kitu ambaye katiba inasema. Haisemi county. County ni ya governor. We don't want the country's constitution to be defiled. Let representation be based on constituency, on figure, on acreage, on economical viability. Kwa Kiswahili nitarudia. Representation, uwakilishi ya bunge ina sheria. Hakuna wakati inasemekana mjumbe atakuwa based on county. County ni ya governor. Mjumbe anawakilisha watu kulingana na ardhi, kulingana na hesabu ya idadi yao, kulingana na economical viability. Ijara is qualified. Ina haki yote imetimiza. Hakuna hata shimo moja na baki. Sisi tunauliza rais, tunakupenda, tumekupigia kura, tunakusupport, na wewe ni wajibu yako utuangalie. Asante sana.
We want local constituency. We want a 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 local constituency.
Samir, umechukua fedha vizuri.
Tunataka eneo bunge ya Hulugo. Tunataka eneo bunge ya Hulugo.